Did you know that after the age of 60, your body starts losing muscle mass twice as fast? Imagine struggling to get out of a chair, losing your balance while walking, or feeling too weak to enjoy life. But what if I told you that there's one exercise that can slow down aging, keep you strong, and even help you live longer? Stick with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to take control of your health and feel younger than ever. The importance of strength and mobility after 60. Aging doesn't mean weakness, it means adaptation. Our bodies go through natural changes, muscle loss, joint stiffness, and decreased balance. But here's the truth most people don't realize. These issues aren't just part of aging, they're the result of not using our muscles effectively. The more we move, the stronger we stay. Think about this. How often do you get up from a chair, climb stairs, or bend down to pick something up? These movements are crucial for independence. Now, imagine a day when you can't do them anymore. Scary, right? But there's good news. One simple exercise can help prevent that from happening. This exercise isn't some complex workout you need fancy gym equipment for. It's something you can do right at home. In fact, it's so powerful that doctors and physical therapists recommend it to improve strength, balance, and even prevent falls. Want to know what it is? The number one exercise, the bodyweight squat. The answer is the bodyweight squat. Yes, something as simple as squatting can be a game changer for your health. Squats mimic one of the most essential movements in life, sitting and standing. And mastering this exercise can mean the difference between staying active or struggling with everyday tasks. Now, let's break it down. A proper squat engages multiple muscle groups, your legs, core, and lower back. It strengthens your knees, improves hip flexibility, and even boosts circulation. But most importantly, it keeps you mobile and independent. Why squats are so important for people over 60? Many people fear squats because they worry about knee pain or back strain. But here's the truth. Avoiding squats actually makes things worse. Weak muscles put extra pressure on your joints, increasing pain and stiffness over time. The key is doing them correctly and safely. Start by standing with your feet shoulder width apart. Slowly lower yourself as if you're sitting in a chair, keeping your chest up and your knees aligned. Don't go too low, just enough to feel your muscles working. Then push through your heels and stand back up. That's one rep. Simple, right? If you're just starting, use a chair for support. Sit down slowly and then stand back up. As you get stronger, try doing squats without the chair. And for an extra challenge, hold onto a light weight or do more repetitions. Now, imagine yourself a few months from now. Your legs feel stronger, your balance has improved, and everyday tasks feel easier. You no longer struggle to stand up, you walk with confidence, and you feel years younger. That's the power of this one exercise. Additional benefits of squats. But squats do more than just strengthen your legs. They also improve posture, boost metabolism, and even help with lower back pain. Plus, they promote better circulation, reducing the risk of heart disease and diabetes. And guess what? Squats are also great for your brain. They improve coordination and keep your nervous system sharp. The key to success is consistency. Start with just 10 squats a day. Gradually increase the number as you feel stronger. Make it part of your daily routine, before breakfast, while watching TV, or even before bed. It only takes a few minutes, but the benefits last a lifetime. So, here's my challenge to you. Try doing squats every day for the next 30 days. Watch how your strength, energy, and confidence improve. And if you found this information helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more powerful health tips. Let's take control of aging and stay strong together. What do you think? Are you ready to give squats a try? Let me know in the comments below.